In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can convert a Nurbs surface, which is this one, into a series of planarize strip. First, we're going to talk about Kangaroo and how we can planarize those panels and make that like this. And then we're going to convert them into strips, as you can see here. And those strips are actually panels which are flat. So that's really important in this lesson. We're going to learn how to use the Kangaroo to do that. Okay, assume that we have this base surface we have produced in Rhino. So I'm going to bring that surface into Grasshopper. Just set that here, turn it off and internalize. So we have it in Grasshopper. And what we want to do is, because we want to use Kangaroo, I'm going to convert that into a mesh. So let's go to the mesh, utility, and mesh surface component. If I give that to the surface, turn it off, we can give a number of division for the U and the V counts. Let's just increase that.